What if you could look inside other people's lives and into their deepest, darkest secrets? Mill-Bieb is a collection of short stories by Loranne Vella. Mill-Bieb is published by Ede Books. The title literally means behind closed doors. Look out for the English translation published by Prospar Press in the UK, coming out later in 2021. What I really love about this book is that in it we meet lots of regular people doing regular things like drinking their favourite coffee, getting on a train to the next city, falling asleep. Throughout all these encounters, we realise that actually what we choose to hide and what we choose to reveal says a lot about who we really are.
Dal-filmat huwa parti minn serje mtella minn Lovin Malta u Kunsill Nazzjonali tal-Ktieb li fiha tinlaqqgħu il-pubbliku ma' kotba importanti tal-letteratura Maltija. Hemm ħafna x'tiskopri hemm barra.